Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create an animated logo in Viddyoze, a robust cloud-based video animation software with which you can create studio quality videos using professionally designed pre-made video templates. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this Viddyoze Overview video. So I'm logged into Viddyoze. You'll see the latest video templates here. Click on this category drop-down menu and choose Logos. It'll display all the latest logos here. Now bear in mind that what you see here will depend on the type of license you have. You can hover your mouse over a specific logo to see a preview of the logo template. Alternatively, you can use a search box to look for a specific template using a keyword. I'll use the keyword diagonal logo stinger, and here's the template I'm looking for. I'll hover my mouse over the template and click on the Customize button. On this page, you'll see detailed information about the template. In this main section, you'll see the preview. On the right, you'll see the duration and the customization options. Click on the Customize button and it'll open the editor. In this section, it'll provide you details on the accepted file type and size. Click on Browse Images, choose your logo image, and click Open. Then click the Next Step button. In this next step, you can choose colors. By the way, these steps may be different depending on the type of video template you choose. So I'll change this color from yellow to blue, and then change this color from teal to red, and then click Next Step. In this final step, it'll process a live preview. The preview is in the form of static frames. Depending on the video template, the live preview may take a little while to process, but you don't have to wait for the preview. You can click this Create Video button, and it will then start the video rendering process. If you remain on this page, it will show you the rendering progress, and once the video has been rendered, it will automatically give you a prompt to download the video. This particular logo template rendered in about a minute. If you close this page, you can find your rendered video in the My Videos section, where you can download the video. And here's how the animated logo came out.